George Murad.
Erica McNamara.
And Melanie Corey bringing you the rundown with Red Door Metro.
So today we're going to talk about our VIP referral program. And you're probably wondering, what is that? Melanie, you want to explain?
So when you work with us, you think, wow, they were amazing. What are you going to do? You're going to go and refer us to your friends, your family, your colleague, someone next to you on the bus that says they are looking for some real estate. And you want to get rewarded for that.
And we're all about that. We're very thankful. And a lot of our business is built on referrals. So one of the things that we've developed is this VIP referral program. As you can see, Erica has a little poster example of what are some of the prizes. One of the advantages when you start working with us is Erica's main goal is to make sure your client experience is unbelievable. And at the beginning of that, she goes into a little questionnaire. And you may think she's asking too many questions, but what are some of the things that you end up discussing with them, Erica, or trying to find out, right?
So we try to find out basically what your preferences are, how we can best reward you, and continue the celebration past the closing table.
So what are some of the things that we end up asking them, like
your favorite flower, for example, your favorite wine, things like that, kind of just
favorite color,
yes.
Your birthday, your anniversary, a
There
pet's anniversary.
Your favorite restaurant? Like when you get something that's a little bit of a gift, you know, if your favorite flower is, say, a dahlia rose, okay, and you get a tulip, you're going to be happy, but if you got that dahlia rose, which is your favorite, you're going to be like, wow. So we want to always be thankful of that with our experiences. And we have different levels with our VIP referral program depending on how many referrals. And let me tell you something, the prizes go anywhere from an iPad, a gift card. What else, Mel? Tell them.
I mean, your favorite is the 1 year unlimited car wash.
1 year unlimited car wash. So look, guys, you can go every day and get your car cleaned from soup to nuts. And God knows I go at least 5 times a week. So that's why if you ever see my cars, they're very clean. And that was my suggestion to it. There was even, what was the one that you liked?
The best one for me, I think, is the weekend getaway.
So that's how when you end up getting to a certain level, we would treat you to an entire weekend somewhere where it's a nice, relaxing, maybe Greenbrier, Salamander Resort. I don't even know that.
That's our realm.
Yes.
So these are the kind of things that can do that. So we want to make sure that you guys are aware of it. So when Erica asks all those serious questions, we're not selling it to anybody. We're not sharing it with anybody. This is really for us to make sure you always know that we're thinking about you and we're very grateful for all of your referrals.
Consider us studying who you are just so we can please you.
Absolutely. So thank you very much for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.